Hey, welcome to the channel. I'm Edgy Blades, and what I have for you today is the Kubey Bravo One, and you can get this, of course, with the Tanto or a drop point version. And these are really exceptional knives. I had originally gotten the Tanto version, and whew, it is just been phenomenal. These are strong workhorse, sharp knives, and they're very, very well priced too. Both versions go for 45 bucks on White Mountain Knives, and I'm sure other places. They also have this with the drop point versions with a black G10, or yeah, I'm sorry, a red G10, a tan G10, JG10 as you see, and those are with the black wash blade. And you can also get this with a tan G10 as you see here in the Tanto, or a black G10 with the bead blast Tanto. And also these come in a higher grade versions with titanium handles with belt satin M390 blades in either version. Now the G10 and AUS 10 blades that you see here, they go for 45 in all versions, and the titanium version, whether it's the flame titanium handle or just a gray titanium handle with the satin finish M390, go for 165. And if you choose to get these off White Mountain Knives, you can get these, of course, with the 10% discount of mine using my code NCN. And that was from my previous channel, Newcastle Ninja. But here we are. These are really, really great knives. And man, they are screaming sharp too. And they are beefy. You are getting 8 inches overall for these knives, both versions. They have the same dimensions for both. The blade itself, 3.39 inches with a 16 of an inch thickness on the blades. Great jimping on there. Nice skeletonized liners. And they are phenomenal. These are AUS 10 steel. And Kubey does a really great tempering of their blades, because these are rated at 59 to 61 for the AUS 10. I have put these knives through the ringer. I've been cutting everything from fruit to meat to everything in boxes in between, and I gotta say, this Tanto has, like, on this part here is hollow for the blade, a hollow grind, whereas this has the flat grind right here. So you got the compound grind going on there, and this one here, full flat ground for the drop point. But both are phenomenal slicers, and man, they are beefy. The weight on these is 6.5 ounces, but really you just feel such a substantial feel to these, and they got super jimping on it. I'll get you a little closer look, and as you can see, that reinforced point on there is just, it's just made for going through. It's just so piercing, very, very sharp. You can see the edge just gleaming on this thing. And yeah, it's super great action. You can reverse flick it with, as you can see, because it does have the ceramic ball bearing action. And it's got plenty of space there for you to get your digit in for the liner. It's got some nice lockup. Let's see how it is on the closing there. Yep, perfectly centered. And it is right side and left side tip up carry, so you have that option of switching that out. I really like the lines that they put in the blade here, and going by this blade, this is designed by Mikkel Williamson. Let's see if I can get that for you. Yep, designed by Mikkel Williamson. There we go. Now you can see it. It's got a decent G10 grippiness to it too. It's just, you really feel like you're really, it's just got tremendous ergonomics to it, and you're really holding on to a heck of a tool here. This is just very, very, very impressive. Great action, and yeah, it's just flies right out. I do particularly like the Tanto version, but the drop point, pretty awesome. I mean, look at this gleaming edge you get on here. And it is no joke. It is super, super sharp. So let's see. Do I want to do this? Sure, I'll do it. Yeah, I'll get a little bit of hair going there. Let's see. You see any there? I don't know. Yeah, I see a little bit there. Let's see, reverse. Oh yeah. Nice bald spot. Yep. Yeah, you can see it. It is razor sharp, and I gotta say, with that black stonewash blade that they do on this one here, that edge is just, it mirrors, it glistens, and it's really, really nice. And I like this G10 version here with the JG10, but again, of course, it comes in different colors. You can really see the skeletonizing here of the liners, and it got some nice jimping right here on the back of the blade. So if you want to, but it's such a heavy blade, it's really just, it's so, you got a really nice choil there, and you can even put your finger up into it. I don't recommend that, but it fits so comfortably in reverse grip as well. And yeah, this is super. I'm really digging it, and I think you might too, if that's something that you're looking for. Nice beefy blade. Kubey makes some decent ones, and I don't know if I'll ever spring to get the M390 version. I'm just happy with this here. This AUS 10 has been really holding up well. A little bit of stropping, and that blade is a razor. So yeah, there you go. This is the Kubey Bravo One. You can get this White Mountain knives, you can get them anywhere. I'm sure you can get them on Amazon as well, but you can get 10% off of these, and again, they're only 45 bucks. And I do believe that White Mountain also has like a discount on Kubey knives right now, or at least they did. So you'll notice that if you happen to put it in your cart and the price drops about 20%, and you can still throw on my 10% discount on top of that. So there you go. Just get you one last look at this thing, and whew, it is mean. And for a Tanto, this one here, I've been using it immensely. I just got the draw point recently, but this one here has been my go-to workhorse, and it has been every bit of that. So there you go. This is the Bravo One by Kubey. I'm Edgy Blades. Please like the video and consider subscribing. It is much appreciated, and I'm doing this for you. I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.